Alright, what's up guys? So, first gonna be doing an e-bike video. I don't know if you guys can see all those minnows. Oh, you can. All those down there. But right now we're at this river. We got my bike. So we're just gonna be riding around. Here, we'll see if we can find another school of minnows. Alright guys. Let's hop on the bike and get a move on it. Bro, pass, dang. Like two Karens are trying to come tell me to stop riding. It on the very right of the road. Now we're in the country. This isn't the way I wanted to explore, though. I wanted to explore the other direction. Yeah, let's do that. Today is gonna be the day that's gonna come back to you. Right now, you should somehow realize let's explore Mill Road. Haven't been up here. Which way? This way. They got the river right in their backyard. Where does this go? Oh, that just goes to the freeway. Okay. So, let's go find some different roads to go down. He was on the wrong side of the road. Dang. Oh wait, this works me on top speed. Like Forrest Gump. Like Forrest Gump. Black van. Okay. Hey, you know cool cars at the car dealership today? No. Holy clank. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go, amigo. Dang. Oh, yeah. Froyo. Afro. Flanco. I'm trying to cross the road. Let's go, guys. Crap. I just lost my throttle for a second. Crap, the train tracks. That hurt my butt cheeks. Ooh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. Shimmy. Okay, guys, get it. Let's. Jesus Christ. What the shit? Bata beam, tralla, tralla, bata beam, tralla, tralla, bata beam, tralla, tralla, cappuccino, really, Layla. I need to go that way. I need to go home. That means I need to go that way. Yeah. That way. Get it, let's go. Froyo. Oh, wait, it's a creek again. It's filled with algae. Probably 10 pounders in there, yeah. Crap. Okay. The booty hole. The booty hole train tracks. That hurt my booty hole. Ah! Oh, is that the driving range? I think it is. Let's go. It is. I'm so good. Oh, wait, that's someone's house. Never mind. Back on the way. I just pulled into someone's driveway. Yeah, at all. You stinker butt? Oh, what the frickin' fuck? Freaking poop on the dog. I need to cross the frickin' road before you poop on the road. Let me cross the frickin' road. let's go. Okay, guys, bye. Next video will be tomorrow. Deuces, son.